Hi, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the myAT&T mobile app works. The app is designed to help AT&T wireless and internet users manage their accounts, monitor usage, and access support tools directly from their mobile devices. It aims to provide an all-in-one solution for billing, plan adjustments, and service-related tasks without the need to call customer service. Users can log in with their AT&T credentials to view and pay bills, set up autopay, and track past payment history. The app displays wireless and broadband data usage in real time, and users can also check upgrade eligibility, manage devices on the account, and make changes to plans or add-ons. It also offers access to support through chat and fax. Notifications alert users about data thresholds, billing due dates, and service updates. The app is praised for its convenience, with users noting how easy it is to check account balances and handle payments. It saves time by eliminating the need to log in on a browser or speak to an agent for routine tasks. However, some users report occasional glitches, especially when accessing older billing statements or linking multiple accounts, and others mention slow loading screens. According to recent reviews, many users find the app helpful for managing family plans and appreciate the clarity in billing. Positive feedback highlights how the interface is simple to navigate. On the other hand, several reviews point out that app updates sometimes reset login information, requiring users to sign in again and verify identity through codes, which can be frustrating. Overall, the myAT&T mobile app is a practical tool for users who want to manage their AT&T services efficiently. While there are areas that could improve in stability and performance, it remains a widely used utility app for account control and payment management. If you have questions or notice anything missing, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to the description for email.